Hey everyone, welcome to the Board and Four, where I summarize the November board meeting for the Athens Area School District. I got my notes. Let's jump in and see what we can do and see if we can get this in less than 4 minutes. It was actually kind of a quick meeting, and we did move it to Thursday, November 13th, because we had to do a couple business items beforehand, and we wanted to be able to vote on them. First of all, we'll start right off with the financial highlights. The board did two important things on that. They recognized that the Pennsylvania state legislators have adopted a budget, so we now have a state budget, and we will get about $300,000 more than we did last year from the state. That money really is just a drop in the bucket when it comes to doing what we need to do, but we're going to make use of every dollar. We did have to do a budget transfer out of our reserve fund of $1.89 million to cover our deficit from the 24-25 school year. We took that out of our reserved fund balance in some different buckets. In personnel and policy, we hired some more staff. We did hire a new girls wrestling coach, Mr. Don Barrett. We also approved some policies, and we did some approval of some first reads. Most of them related to just general topics, updates from PSBA. There are some related to some medical things that we want to take a little bit deeper look at. We did get our PIAA classification numbers, and that was reported out in the extracurricular meeting. We are going to be going back down on a lot of boys' sports. I think we pop up in girls' volleyball, but check that out on the PIAA website. In terms of educational programs, I do want to highlight our Northern Tier Career Center students. 90% of our students scored 90 or above on their technical placement exams. That is really, really wonderful. Lackawanna College is partnering with the Career Center to offer full scholarships for people who are going into fields like being electricians and things like that. So that's amazing. The board approved the 2026-2027 History Club trip to London and an overnight field trip for Science Olympiad. And the final thing I really think that's important is the board approved out of the capital fund purchase of 4 heaters. The maintenance shed, or the maintenance shop, not really a shed, it's more of a big building, needs heaters. They've not been working for a while, so they're going to have some heat this winter, which will be important. And finally, just want to send a sincere thank you to Cindy Cooper and Kevin Rude. This was their last official board meeting, and they are now walking away from the board, and will be welcoming 2 new board members, Mr. Jay White and Mr. Dustin Bishop, and they will be sworn in December, and we will reorganize. So our next meeting is on December 2nd, 7 p.m. here in the Athens Area School District Administrative Office. That is the reorganization meeting, and it'll be live streamed, so check it out. And as always, go Wildcats.